if you're thinking, it's just one word, actually mastering that sound corrects a lot of other mistakes, like how people often say other instead of other, or comb instead of come. Because besides the letter U, can be spelled with the letter O or double O as in blood, or OU like young, which I hear people mispronouncing as young all the time. Also, can be the letter A, as in the question word, what, or OE, as in does. And is just one of our over 20 vowel sounds. So now what I want you to do is start paying closer attention to the sounds rather than the spelling of English. Is probably sneaking around in a bunch of words you use every day. In fact, cut is actually in the top 500 most common words in English.